I watched a lot of the speeches, and they talk, we went in and we fought the enemy, and it's all true. But they didn't say what happened in the last week. We surrendered. And we can't let that happen, because that's a stain on our country that's worse than any stain we've ever had before. It's an embarrassment. There was no reason. We had them totally locked down. They couldn't have done a thing. We could have stayed there for 10 years if we wanted. They couldn't have done a damn thing. We ran. I think he wanted to run because he wanted to look good today. And I wanted that ended more than anybody, and for a longer period of time. We should have never been there, frankly. We should have never gotten into that quicksand. Trillions of dollars, millions of lives if you look at both sides. But when you get out, you have to get out with honor, dignity, strength, and victory. We would have had victory. And he turned victory into a total embarrassment. I say the most embarrassing moment in the history of our country.